How to download music from YouTube to MP3. So downloading music from YouTube to MP3 is quite easy and simple. Just you have to open the YouTube application on your PC or mobile device as per your choice. So if you are on the PC, you can open any browser and type in youtube.com on the web address bar. Then you will reach on this page, but before that make sure to sign in on your account. Once done, then before proceeding, let me inform you that YouTube provides the audio library from where you can easily download any music or song that you wish to download and easily apply those music on your YouTube videos as well and still get monetized. So those music are for free, you can easily download. For that you need to first go to the profile icon at the top right corner of the YouTube account, and then once you are here, you need to select the YouTube Studio from this drop down box. Once the YouTube Studio opens at the left panel, you need to scroll all the way down and select Audio Library. Once Audio Library opens here, you can see the track titles. You can easily select any track that you wish to download on YouTube. You can simply play the video with the help of this play audio track button and easily listen to any music. And after you like that music, you can easily click on this download button which is next to that track, and the downloading process has already been started and it has already been downloaded as well. So by opening your file explorer, you can easily find that music has already been downloaded from YouTube to MP3. So let's open it, and as you can see, it has already been downloaded. So you can easily use this audio to any kind of video, and you can upload it on the YouTube as well. So in this way you can easily download music from YouTube to MP3. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any notifications or updates from our channel.